How to backup contacts to Samsung Cloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accounts and Backup. After click on Accounts and Backup, click on Backup Data. After click on Backup Data, turn off this button and turn on Contacts. If you want to backup contacts Samsung Cloud, so turn on Samsung Cloud. So you turn on Contacts. After turn on, click on Backup Now. And after click on Backup Now, click on Done. You will see contact data is backup. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can backup contacts to Samsung Cloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.